Hello, future entrepreneurs. It's Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Today we have made it to day number 274 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. All right. And if you guys don't know what's going on here, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. All right. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's a email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the cool thing about Mileage and Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts, right? So you can literally come into this back office, you can sign up for an account, and then you can use your own affiliate link to sign up for your other account, okay? So when you sign up for your first account, you're going to be in a back office like this. It's going to be identical to this right here, okay? The only thing different is going to be your affiliate link, okay? And what you're going to have to do is once you sign up, you're going to copy this URL, and you're going to sign out of this account, right? Log out, and you're going to put this into your browser, okay? And you're going to sign up underneath your own affiliate account. Okay, and that's how you're going to stack your accounts using a different email address and create multiple accounts underneath yourself. Okay, and that's what I did. All right. I have about 8 different accounts that I did that with. All right. So I have 8 accounts. Just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret about 4 years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work, it does convert, and this is a real business. Okay. This is something that you can build on. Okay. And I recommend you guys getting started. All right. Now, with my 8 accounts, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. Okay. So I come in here anytime between the hours of 9 p.m. to midnight. I send out my emails. Okay. And you don't have to send yours out at night. Okay. You can do them in the morning, afternoon, whatever works best for you and your schedule. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like if you guys were to get started. And yeah, just show you a little bit about myself and how I'm using My Legion Secret to make money. Okay. Now there's two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is just promoting My Legion Secret. Okay. You can literally come in here, create an email, and that email you can create it based around My Legion Secret, and you can make money that way. Okay. Number two is using an affiliate network, okay, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty. There are tons of CPA networks that you guys can use and for this method. Okay. So these leads that are coming on to this platform, these people are business, these are business opportunity leads. Okay. So what that means is that these people are looking to make money online. Okay. So they want to make money. They want to find out how to make money. They're eager to learn. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is for us to go out and for us to find offers that are related to making money. And we create an email based around that offer, and then we send that to this platform. Okay. So, really, with this method, guys, all we're doing is copying emails and pasting them over to the system, to the My Legion Secret system. It's super easy to do. Okay. So those are going to be the two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. There's going to be 3 ways to send out an email. Okay. Number one is create your own email. Number two, use an email AI service or chat GPT. Number three is use the free pre-written email swipes that come with ClickBank or whatever network that you're with. They usually have some pre-written emails that come with it. Okay. Now, for the sake of this video, we are using ClickBank for this challenge, and because the leads respond very well to ClickBank offers. I've been with ClickBank over a century. Okay, guys, so I can tell you that ClickBank is a legit platform. It does work, and they've been around forever. And it's just a great company. And you can use their offers to promote to My Legion Secret traffic. Okay. Now on ClickBank, they have a marketplace, and the section that we will be looking at is going to be a section called e-business, e-marketing. Those are the business opportunity offers. So you're going to find about 4 different offers on there that work really well, okay, according to Gravity. Okay. So those offers have about 20 different pre-written email swipes. Okay. So all you have to do is go to that website, and grab those 20 emails and copy and paste them over to the system. Okay. That's exactly what I did. Okay. To get started. Okay. And then once you use those emails over and over and over again, after about 2 months, you're going to repurpose those same emails. Okay. And you're going to create different variations of those same emails that already work. Okay. So those are going to be the ways to make money with My Legion Secret. And then also they're going those are the 3 ways to send out an email. Okay. So that way you know exactly what to do. Now if you need more help, need me to walk you, hold your hand, so to speak, by doing this method, please go back and watch the previous videos in the beginning of this challenge, so you can kind of get an idea on what it would look like, if it were, if you were to start sending out emails and things like that. Okay. If you need help, go finding a offer on ClickBank, grabbing that email swipe, and then pasting it over to the system. Okay. Let me show you what one of those emails would look like. I mean, if you do happen to go over to ClickBank, let's see here. Like, say for instance, you can just pick an email, just picking a random email. So with ClickBank, with those 20 emails, they're going to give you a pre-written subject line. Okay. All right, sorry guys, my battery is running a little bit low. I didn't charge my iPad before doing this video, but I still have enough juice left to finish this video. Okay, so it gives you a subject line, okay, which all we did was copy that and paste it over to the system. Also, ClickBank gives you a free email swipe. Okay, so all you have to do is take the email from ClickBank and then come over here to the My Legion Secret and paste it in here. Okay, I didn't come up with none of this stuff myself. Okay, I'm just telling you that up front. All I did was copy and paste. That's all I'm doing. All right. Now, right here, I created a clickable link. So where it says take the free quiz here, I created this link. And when people click on this link, it's going to take them to my affiliate page. And my affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for me. All I have to do is create the email. Okay. Copy and paste the email, create the link, okay, make my link here, all right, and then send this email out to all the subscribers that I have on my system. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Let me just show you how to do it real quick. So if you go to mailing system right here, you want to select the emails that you want to send out to, and then you come down here, you create your subject line, you're pasting whatever email that you swiped that I was telling you that you have. You grab the swipe. You grab the subject line, okay, and you paste it in right there. You come down here to the body here, and this is where you put in your email swipe, okay. So if you're, whatever email that you're promoting, okay, and you paste it in there, you click on perfect timing, and then you would grab whatever sentence, right, and you're going to turn that into a clickable link. So if you highlight whatever that you want to make a clickable link, you highlight it, click on this link tab right here, and then you put in whatever you want. All right. I'm just going to put in a Google for an example. Right. So you click on OK. Now, look, this right here is a clickable link. All right. That's how easy it is to do it. Right. So, that way, whenever we send out our email, whatever we want to be a clickable link, you just highlight it and you hit this clickable link tab right here. It's just super easy. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me take you over here to ClickBank and show you around here. This is one of my ClickBank accounts. I have a few different accounts, but I made this account just for this challenge, just to show you the power of My Legion Secret. Okay, so I've been with ClickBank over a century, like I told you before. Um, Today is January the 28th, right? I remember when it was the 1st of January. I mean, time is just flying by, right? So it's the 28th. And down here at the bottom is the 28th. Okay, so for transparency purposes, it's not a fake screenshot. These are not fake results. These are real sales. Okay, I only created this ClickBank to show you the power of My Legion Secret. All right, so these are the results here, guys. Okay, it's been pretty consistent. As you can see, these sales are come in every other day, every 2 days, whatever. Okay, but these sales stay consistent. All right. One thing I love about ClickBank is that they pay every single Friday. Okay, so every single Friday for anything that I do for during the week for the work that I do, I get paid out on Friday, which is pretty awesome. All right. So as you can see, these have been the results for the last 30 days. Things have been pretty consistent. As you can see, we may have missed a day, missed today, missed a couple days, missed a couple days, but we got four back to back. We missed a couple days right here, and then we got a couple sales back to back right here. Okay, which is pretty cool. All right, so these this is what's possible if you come in and you send out emails every single day. These are the type of results that you can get pretty quickly. Okay, um, you can expect these results right here. I mean, as little as 3 months. Okay. And that's just sending out emails. That's not determining how many accounts that you have. You do have to have multiple accounts to get these results. But these type of results will come in very easy and very quickly if you have multiple accounts and you stay on top of sending your emails out every single day. Okay. That is the most important thing, is staying consistent. Okay. If you can come in and stay consistent and send out emails for weeks and weeks and don't miss a day, these are the type of results that will start coming very quickly for you. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Like I said, I do this on a daily. Okay. So you can take my word for it. This stuff does work. I mean, these are real sales, and I get paid every single Friday from ClickBank. Not only do I make money from this method, I do have other stuff that I do online to make money. Okay, let me take you over here to my video. Okay, underneath every video that I shoot, I always leave a link to my personal My Legion Secret account. So you click on this one, it takes you over to the My Legion Secret platform. This is where you're going to get started. You come down here, watch this video, guys. This is a great video. It just shows you the income potential on what's possible for you if you were to get started. Also, you can see the testimonials of other people making money. I'm not the only one making money. Okay. There's other people doing it. You got Warrior Plus offers, you got ClickBank offers in here. Like, you got tons of people making money from this offer, guys. I mean, it's just a no-brainer. Okay. Go ahead and click right here where it says join MLGS now. Click on that link. Okay. Put in your email address. Okay, it's going to take you to another screen. Pay your $60. There is a one-time charge of $60 to get started. And then after that next month, there's just a $30 a month to keep the service. Super easy to do. If you're not able to afford $30, a month to do this account, okay, you're not gonna make money anywhere online. Okay, I just want to be honest with you. You're not going to make money if you're not willing to invest in yourself and to get the things that you need to make money. I mean, you're just not going to make it. Okay, you have to spend money on yourself to invest in the things that you want to make money for you. Okay, so I'm not going to go. I'm not going to dive deep down off in that. On convincing you or telling you how important it is if you're trying to make money for yourself. Okay, on how it's important to invest in yourself. Okay, and that's what I've done, and I've done that for years now. Is invest in myself. I spent thousands of dollars to get to where I'm at right now. Okay, so you have to do it. Okay, there's nothing in this internet marketing space that's free. Okay. Hey guys, my recorder did my laptop did shut off, but I just wanted to come back here with you guys and show you guys. Go ahead and get started today. If you can, like this video for me, subscribe to this channel. Okay, it just helps the algorithm, helps get this message out to people who are looking to make money. Okay, so I've sent out my emails already tonight. Okay, so you've already know that I did send out my emails. We're going to meet back here tomorrow and we'll go over the results, and we'll talk about it and we'll go over that and see if we got any new sales or any new subscribers or anything like that. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.